What's up, guys? 2020 Toyota Corolla. I'm doing the cabin air filter, and also if you have some weird noise when you have your fan on, if you hear like a low rumbling or kind of like a roaring noise, you might have some leaves or debris in your blower motor. So what you want to do is open this, go ahead and get everything out of this, and then you're going to squeeze the sides right here, and then you'll be able to pull this down. You might have something attached to right here, this little peg. You'll need to pull that off. This one should have it. I don't know why it's not on. We'll check that out in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the sides here at the same time with two hands. Okay, like that. Now here's where your cabin filter is, right here. Basically, you gotta get this little plate off on the sides. Just squeeze these tabs right here. Squeeze these tabs, push it like that, and then it should just come out of the other side. So, and then you want to pull this out. Alright, now here's your filter. There's a black part on it. You're going to reuse it. You'll put the new filter in there. That's kind of like a tray, filter tray. Now, if you have some weird noises when you turn your blower motor on, you might want to look in here. I'll go ahead and like with the car off, obviously, and the motor not on, I'll make sure the car is completely off with the key out. You can reach in here a little bit, and if there's any debris, sometimes rats make nests in there. Leaves, a little tiny leaf can cause you a bunch of noise. But you would basically just look in there for anything. I already got it out on this one, but alright, so if you're just doing the cabin filter, here's the one I got. This is from Toyota. That's the part number. And it comes like this. And like I said, you'll take this one out and put your new one in this tray. Like that. Notice on your tray there's an arrow that says up. Your cabin filter should have the same thing. I don't know if you can see it, but that's an arrow and it says up. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here and make sure it fits good. Alright, just like that. And then what we'll do is we'll come under here and just slide this back in. Like that. We'll get our face plate back, which is right here. Also an arrow with pointing up. I'm going to go ahead and put this side in first. I just like put the tabs in, and then with the tabs tucked in, you should be able to just push this. Okay, and now it's locked in place. And then if you have this little plunger guy right here, I'm surprised this doesn't have it. It connects to right here, and then there's a peg right there, and those connect. But this one doesn't have it for some reason. So then all you have to do is when you put your glove box back in, you just push it in like that. You can squeeze the tabs if you want. I mean the sides if you want it to go in easier. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you do your cabin filter and to get some noise out of the blower motor. Thanks for watching.